Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
It's a dolphin pup that needs our help. It took a wrong turn and it's swimming up the river. There's lots of shallow spots and rocks where a little dolphin could get trapped. Zuma, I need you and your hovercraft to help get the dolphin pup back to the ocean.
Let's dive in.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Ryder, I don't see the dolphin anywhere.
Me neither.
Found him.
How are we gonna get the pup back out into the ocean?
I don't know. The little dude just wants to play.
A playmate, like the toy dolphin you pups were playing with at the beach. Maybe the baby dolphin will follow that out into the bay.
Let's do it!
Sky!
Right here, Ryder.
I need you to fly that dolphin toy down to the river and fast!
I'm on it.
Great job! Head out to the bay and see if you can locate the dolphin's family.
I'm on it.
I'll attach the dolphin to your buoy line.
Buoy line out.
Okay, let's give this a try. She's following us!
She's stoked to have a dolphin friend to play with.
Sky, any sign of them?
Ryder, I found the dolphin's family.
Great, Sky! Looks like the little pup and its new friend are almost out of the river. Great job, pups. Whenever you're in trouble, just for help.
Rusty's Park and Fly. A couple more bolt twists on the turbo trike and we're done here, Ruby. Perfect! It's almost time to cheer on Mr. Higgins in the remote control plane race. Whirly's pretty excited. The Bits want to show us their cheer routine. Cool. We just need a minute. Whoa! Or we can watch it now. Show us what you've got, guys. Are you guys okay? Mr. Higgins will love it, guys. But you might want to practice the ending. All right, let's get to the race. Time to bolt.
Look at it go!
Hi, Mr. Higgins.
Oh, hello there, kids.
Is it time for the plane race?
Not yet. You're a little early. I'm just taking my plane out for a test spin, and she's spinning great. Meet the Flying Beagle. One of a kind. Made her myself.
It's awesome! Awesome! Crush thinks so too. Come on, Crush.
Check out this really awesome trick I've been practicing. I call it the Double Doodle Flip-a-Paloozle. Huh? Well, that's not good.
What is it, Mr. Higgins? Is everything okay?
It's not working. I can't steer my plane. Mayday! Mayday! Uh-oh! Look out! Come back, Beagle! Heel! Beagle and...
Your plane is doing everything but landing.
oh dear, what do I do?
When a remote stops working, the first thing I always check is the battery. Ruby, do you have your battery tester attachment for your tablet? Sure do. The battery's fully charged. So the batteries aren't the problem.
Then what could it be?
Oh no! Ah!
This is not good. I have an out-of-control plane and the race starts soon.
Wait! I know. Let's flip it. Instead of looking at the remote, we should look at the plane. Good idea, Ruby. Let's get some bits on the fix. Whirly, we need your help. Whirly, can you fly up there and take a closer look at the plane? That's it. Here it comes. Yeah, way to go, Whirly. All right, activating Whirly Cam. Landing gear looks fine. Wings look good. Wait, what's that? The antenna's busted. Without it, the plane can't get instructions from the remote. Whirly! Whirly, watch out! Are you okay? No problem. We'll fix you up when we get back. Oh no! The plane's headed right for that teeter-totter! Look out! Nice work pulling that kite out of the way. Pulling? That's it! What if we just pulled the plane down to fix the antenna? How? With my grappling hook.
Hold on a nanosecond. You want to catch my plane with a hook?
Did I say grappling hook? I meant my magnet attachment. Okay, let's do this. Target is in sight. Firing in 3, 2, 1. I guess that could have gone better. Changing the battery didn't work. Trying to haul it in didn't work. What we need is a way to fix the antenna from up there. Exactly! With the mid-air rescue.
Mid-air rescue? But the Beagle is the only plane we've got, Rusty.
Not for long. Let's combine it and design it. First, let's use the turbo trike we were working on at the Rivet Lab. And the teeter-totter at the park should help keep things steady. Then we use that old propeller we have in the recycling yard, put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Rescue-matic Power Plane 9000! It's time to fly. All I need is a co-pilot. I'll do it! I knew I could count on you, Crush.
Good luck, Rusty! Good luck, Crush!
Yeah! All right, Crush. Keep your eyes open. There it is. Flying Beagle at 12 o'clock. Whoa, make that 6 o'clock. Hang on, Crush. I'm gonna line our wings up. Easy. Easy. Yes! contact. Nice work. And now that the tricky part's done, time for the really tricky part. Okay, Crush. You need to replace that busted antenna with the new one. Got it? Come on, Crush! You can do it! Almost there. Steady now. You made it! Got it! Woohoo! Good work, Crush. Operation Antenna Swap complete. They did it! Now give the remote a try, Mr. Higgins.
All righty. Hold on, Crush. It's time for the double doodle flip-a-paloozle. It works!
Just in time for the race. Wow! Nice flying, Captain Crush.
Now I'll just set her down.
You did it! Did it!
Who's ready to race to the race?
Yeah! Go, Mr. Higgins! You got it!
Crush.
I don't know. Yeah, where did Crush go? Rusty? I should have known.
All right, go, go, go!
Mr. Higgins and Crush are in the lead! Yeah, he won! Way to go, Mr. Higgins!
We did it! Oh, I can't thank you kids enough for saving my plane.
It was our pleasure, Mr. Higgins.
And I couldn't have done it without my co-captain, Crush. Thanks. You can take the Beagle for a spin anytime you'd like.
Bat Cave Tunnel. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to People Mover Penny.
Yay!
Awesome! You get to pick up the kids from school station and take them to Camp Itchy for a camp out.
Ah, so fun! I can't wait to talk to all those happy campers.
Now you're ready to make tracks.
Penny, set, go! Camp Itchy, here we come! Yes!
Penny, come in, Penny. I just calculated an even faster way to camp. If you head straight through Batcave Tunnel, you'll get there in time for s'mores at sunset. Mic drop.
Batcave Tunnel! Okay, Penny, you can do this. Maybe you can't do this. I know how you feel, Penny. You do? Don't be scared, Jaden. I'll be with you the whole time. Now I know what I need to do. Max, I'm going to need my train friends to help